Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? This is Teacher Nick, your science teacher, and we are going to learn about today uh, about the lesson describing matter. Okay, and I hope you are listening there and uh, ready for topic, and I want to know that this lesson is quite difficult, but uh, try to understand. Okay, so now we will have to talk about describing matters. What matter has properties. Okay, you can say something about each of them. Can you say? Okay, matter has the mass and occupy space. Property is something on tangible, okay, or ownership. Okay, matter. What matter is has mass. Okay, occupied space, but properties something you own. Okay, ownership, like that, or belongings, like you have your phone, you have your paper, you have your notebook, that we call properties. Okay, but matter is about mass, like a properties are like a, matter is uh, like a uh, liquid. Okay, solid, like some different things. Okay, some different things that occupied space. Okay, when it's spread out. Okay, here about peak of balloons. Okay, balloons. Okay, pillow, hollow blocks. You know hollow blocks? Hollow blocks used to build a house. Holland, marble, or okay, raining clouds, or soda. Okay, that is about of matters. Okay, here objects have colors. Yeah, objects now we can understand about red color, blue, yellow, green. Okay, objects. Another one, color is a property of matter. Color is a property of matter. Matter maybe have like a big size or small size, long or short, thin or thick. Okay, thin or thick. That is about matter. Okay, here, size is a property of matter. Okay, size is a property of matter. So here, example, materials may be smooth or rough, and hard or soft. Okay, example, soft, rough, hard, smooth. Okay, like texture, hardness, and softness. Okay, are properties of matter. Now here's this one. Balloon. Okay, balloon and the handkerchief and the umbrella. Okay, umbrella, balloons, and handkerchief. The umbrella is like, I think it's the holding is hard, but the handkerchief is smooth, and then balloon is like a rough. When you hold the balloon, is your hands is like a not slide, is like a roughing. Okay, now let's go. Materials may be round, square, or rectangular, or triangle. Shape is a property of matters. Okay, here. What is this? It's a hollow blocks. What is this? A pillow or you want a pillow or what? It is a bowl. Okay, now let's go. Hollow blocks here. A block occupies space on the table. Okay, occupies space on the table. It is what? Occupied. This matter. Okay, must have the mass. It is have a you know, the heaviness. Okay, have balloons. Okay, balloons. The air balloons occupied space inside the balloons. Inside here, have air, space. Okay, the air, oxygen, helium. Okay, inside. And here, the milk occupies the space inside the glass. Okay, milk, the liquid, the milk, occupied the space of the glass. Okay, or occupy the space of the box, the milk. All the objects occupy space and have mass. Okay, have a mass like a vinegar, the oil, petroleum, like that. Gasoline, that we call the mass. Okay, activity materials needed: plastic cup, ice bag filled with water, to empty ice bag, solid objects such as rock or a bowl. When we have an activity, we need materials. We need paper, scissors, and etc. Many things to make activity, observing and doing something that creating the different materials, okay, that make us to know. Okay, here question: does it take up space? Okay, that is have weight. Does it keep its shape? Can you see it? We have here bowl, water, and air. Okay, water and air. So now you can have like here writing example, and then water or air. Okay, here we go. Here solid. Okay, solid, liquid, gases. Three state of matter. Okay, as I told you last time, we have the three state of matter. Okay, like solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, here you can find the solid thing here, like a table, pencil, skateboard, bicycle, computer, treehouse. They are solid. And liquid, we have here soap, drink juice, hot chocolate, and then like waterfall, milk or rain, liquid. And here gases, we have here wind, air, wind from fan, hot air balloons, or steam, winding, and fog. Okay, so that is example. Now, matter can be a solid, a liquid, or gas. Now, the objects in the picture are solids. Okay, this one a stove. Let me erase first. Stove. And this one is book. And then this one is what? It's a drum. And this one is table. Okay, all objects are solid. Now, characteristics of solids. Okay, we have to know the characteristic of solids. They have definite size and shapes. Okay, solids. definite size and shapes. Shapes like square, circle, triangle, oval, circle, or many shapes. And then number 2, they occupy space. Space and have mass, weight, have the volume or something, it's heavy. And number 3 is we can hold them in our hands. We can hold him like a phone. This is solid, but this is have a mass. Okay. And then another one. The objects in the picture are liquid. Okay. The soda, the milk, the juice, and the soy sauce. Okay, they are liquid. Okay. Another one. Characteristic of liquid. Liquid do not have permanent shapes. Liquid no permanent shape. Not the same of the solid. Because liquid is easy to flowing. Like juice, okay, liquid. Juice, milk, okay, no shape. They can put in the container, okay, but there is no shape. Okay, liquid occupy, but they are occupied space and mass. That is liquid. Number 2, we cannot hold liquid in our hand. We cannot hold them in our places. We cannot. Okay, example, if you hold can you hold water? No. You can you wet your hands, but you cannot hold the water in your hand a long time. It will flowing. Okay, that is the characteristic of liquid. Okay, now here the bowl, the LPG tank, and the soap bubbles contains gases. Okay, gases. Inside here, helium and or oxygen. Okay, oxygen. Am I right? Oxygen. And the LPG. You know LPG? That the gas use the gas use that for cooking. Okay, oxygen. Okay, and another one is we have here bubbles. Okay, bubbles like a soap. Okay, soap. Okay, when you have the soap and then creating a bubble. Okay, now go. Characteristic of gases. Gases occupy space. They have no shapes their own. You cannot see most gases. You cannot see most gases. You know, you cannot see. Like air, you cannot see the air. Cannot see. Okay, so that is the characteristic of gases. Okay, now matter occupies space and has mass. Matter can be grouped into a solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, that is matter. Now go. Recycle and save the earth. Okay, you know, there are many kinds of things around us, but we have to identify them where they are belong. Okay, especially the can. Okay, the can of the Coca-Cola, the can of the juice, can of milk. So we have to put it properly. Okay, because when not put in properly, it could be like a make our surrounding unhealthy. So we have to use. You can use it to recycle. You can create any kind of decoration using this kind of using some materials. Okay, now let's go. What is recycling? Okay, recycling means taking materials from old discarded materials and making other new product from them. Okay, example, we have to recycle. Okay, some materials can use to recycle, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Because the thing that we have to use, and then we have to throw it. But if we have to use to recycle, we can get the good benefits. Okay, why should we recycle? Number one, making new things from recycle ones take a lot less money. Okay, so if you have to recycle, you don't have to spend money to buy something, to buy that kind of things. So if you want to have the decoration, you can recycle different materials, okay, and can make your rooms, can make your house beautiful. Okay, here, what should we recycle? Save a lot from the earth. It will save our surrounding. It will save our earth, our natural resources. Okay, we have to recycle. And then a third, why should we have to recycle? Save space in landfills. Okay, so you know some shop, they don't give us the plastic bag when we buy, because you know, using plastic bag and using some like not really recommended things that we are going to use is dangerous. Okay, so we have to recycle. Okay, save space for landfills. Okay, here now Coca-Cola can, how we can recycle it? Okay, we can use any form, okay, any materials that can make the good things and beautiful our rooms. Okay, Coca-Cola, and here bottles. Okay, mini bottles, any, you can collect bottles or any kind of bottles. Okay, and then here mini bottles. Okay, mini bottles here, you can make like a flower using the bottles, cutting the bottles and make a flowers or any materials. Okay, and then by next time in our study, we will have to know about some materials. Okay, some materials that we are going to recycle, and how it is important, and how we can save our you know, we can minimize, okay, less the money that we earn every day. So if we recycle something, and another one is can help our natural resources, our surrounding. It help our surroundings, and you know, and save landfills, because it's not good for our lands. You know, if we throw everything around not in a proper. So you have to be careful. Okay, we have to use it in recycle. So now, for furthermore, in another part, or by next time, or by next lesson, we will show to you different materials that using different bottles, different cans that make in a reuse and produce and and recycle. So as I told you a while ago, we reduce and reuse and recycle. I will show to you next week in our another lesson, okay, about this describing matters. Okay, so I hope to see you again next time. Okay, so thank you very much and goodbye.